Hello everyone. I was going through the internet and I came across this image here. Have a look at it. This image here. I came across this image of e-commerce. And as you can see, as you can see this is an image of e-commerce, where it's somewhere like where people do sell clothes. And from what you can see here, we have the images and description or title, and we call it the model and the price also, or discounting percentage, as you can see. So I had this idea of coming up with an application which can implement this in real world. So for example, you can have your phone, you open an app and browse through these clothes. You can like, you can view, you can also do a lot of things. But what I want to do, I don't want to restrict it to a website or an app only, but I want to have this idea of coming up with an application where you can have it running it in your phone and also in your browser as a web page, and in your phone as an app, whether you are using iOS, Android, or TV. So first of all, to get started in implementing this, I'm going to do a little bit of analysis of this application and how it will work. So let me show you. What we are going to do. We are going to open a new folder. I've created this folder named full stack clothes, and here I'm going to create a new file. Let me just open a new text document, not notepad. With the image here with us, what I'm trying to implement is very simple. So I have the products, which are the clothes, and these products, it has images. It can be one or multiple images, and again we have a description of these products. Also we do have let us see, this is make or model like jacks and what. Let me say model, the model. We have let me say we have price and also discount here in terms of percentage. Now, to go into details, we first have to analyze this application, and I'm going to show you just a bit description of what I'm trying to implement. First of all, let me save this. We have it as a copy. Now here, let me save it. Description. Yeah, here I'm just trying to analyze the structure of this e-commerce. A little bit of description. So let me use paint just to demonstrate for you what I'm trying to implement. So what we have here, let me say here I have let me say here I have something like let me pick up a pen. Here I have our application, something like app, and this app we want it to run on websites, on the web, which means your browser, and also in your local machine or app. Now this app here, it can be iOS, an iOS app, Android app, it can also be television, it can also be a desktop app like Windows desktop app. Now, as we have seen in this image, these products are static, in that the content doesn't change. But if you're a user, you will be bored if every day you open an app and you see the same things. So we need something where we can come and see new products every day. So to achieve that, we'll need to have a front end and a backend and what we'll do, the front end here is what the user will see, and backend is where we will do all the crude operation, that is update, delete, create, and all those database related operations, because these items they must reside somewhere. So to come up with an application which implement all this front-end and back-end, I had this idea of building front-end. You can use HTML, CSS, styling sheet, HTML markup language of your choice, but I'm going to use what is called Next.js. Next.js. Now, Next.js runs on the website. It's a web-based platform. Is the browser where it runs.